This is crazy. How the hell does she do it? This is who's been rubbing all my feeders. Incredible. Hanging upside down, eating. No shame whatsoever. You think it's the only one? There's another one. This is a male, lost its tail. Oh, just hanging there. Incredible. Ay.